Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing my updated coffee routine. Okay, now that that's over, I'm gonna show you what goes on right now in my household when it comes to coffee. I don't know the best way to show you, but I do have half of a banana that I'm working on here. Let's get into it, okay? I'm just gonna hold it up and I'm gonna do things in front of your face. First, mason jar. Yes, check. Already pulled our espresso. Then we're gonna little honey bear boo boo. Autofocus, please. There we go. That's how autofocus works. I like that. Do a little bit of this. Gotta give it a little shake. Put as much as you think is needed. Cool. Maybe a little bit more. We're feeling extra sweet today. Sorry if you ever use my honey. Miss Honey. Next, we're gonna grab a random bottle of tiny syrup. This one is in the flavor of Irish cream. Shout out Maria, girl, you know who you are. Irish cream, weird flavor to be putting in. Not the one I would pick, but it's the only one I have left. I love the taste. Just gonna put a splash of vanilla in there because, like, you know what? It needs to be used. Then, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna dump our espresso. It's warm. It's gonna get the honey mixture. Cute. Bitter. Give her a little one of these, you know what I mean? But hold on tight and don't be stupid just because the camera's on, okay? We don't need to drop coffee on cam. Looks like Miss Honey's incorporated, and how we double check that is we take a cute little orange straw. Then you go. Only a couple more ingredients left. Hang in there. Then we're gonna take our Trader Joe's spiced chai black tea concentrate.
Yeah, this isn't just your normal latte if you didn't realize already.
Yeah, it is a chai latte. A dirty little chai latte.
It's dirty, it's nasty, it's disgusting.
But it's delicious. And how much you put this in here, I don't know. It's just an eyeball. We're doing that. Guys, we gotta be really quick because my camera card just filled up to capacity, so we need a new memory. We don't have enough time to talk about what needs to happen there. Let's finish the coffee and then we'll talk later. How about, okay? Where were we? Little spice chai here, right? We're giving a little, Woo! That's good. That's good stuff. I like the spice on there. We have like 30 seconds. Oh my God. Oh no. How much? Doesn't matter. Remember, eyeball. That's about good. About half the glass. We fuck. 1, 2, 3. 4. Oh my God, dirty spice chai latte by yours truly. Thank you. If you ever need. Ooh, what the fuck? That's good, actually.